Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots without any experience? Experience is not required, but definitely experience always helps. Okay, to understand the market movement, why the market is moving like this. Guys, without wasting time, let's come to the point. This is all about Hedge Expert, and we have completed 1 year, 12 months trading Hedge Expert, and we started it on 19th of July 2021, and today is 22nd of July 2022. Okay, so we started with 4,000 US dollars, and let's start it from here. Okay, so I started with like these 4 pairs, and as I always suggest, that at least trade with 1,000 US dollars per pair. So I mean, every pair is different, so you don't think like every pair will trade the same way, because every pair is different, every currency is different, every country is different, and every country's economy is different, right? So what does forex market reflects? Forex market reflects the economy of a particular country, so hence it reflects in the prices. Okay, when the economy is strong, their price will also strong. If the economy is doing good, there I mean, everybody is employed and good export and business are doing well and everything, then their economy or the prices will always go higher. I would not compare it with different countries like USD or maybe pound or maybe real or maybe dinar or maybe anything like pound or maybe Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. All are different. But yes, appreciation and depreciation reflects how the economy is doing. Okay, so these 4 pairs I have chosen randomly. It is not something that I have a particular bias on. If you see the details or the description of the video, there is a link where you can see, you can download the trading reports that I have traded in the past. Okay, so I have used many pairs, I have using different kind of settings and all, but yes, this is something that I have started with, and I just kept it going, continuing, that's it. So I should not have used Euro UAD and GBP AUD together, because these are very volatile pairs. But since I started it, and it went very well. I mean, the main many that kind of fluctuation that happened during the war situation, but till that time my account was already grown. So guys, like I am not suggesting you that to use the pairs that I have been using. It is something that I have been using, so it's not something that I'm suggesting you. Okay, so because every person is different, their trading style is different, their risk appetite is different. So if you see the description link, there are many other pairs that I have traded with Hedge Expert in the past on different time frame since 2020. I would have added other pairs also later on when my balance increased, but I have not done it so, because I just wanted to complete this 1 year. Then probably maybe in next few months you will see some other videos of Hedge Expert with different kind of settings. Okay, but it will take some time, because it's already been 12 months, so I would like to focus on few other expert advisors I'm working on. Maybe in next few weeks you will see some different kind of videos on different kind of EA, and maybe later on I will try to move to Hedge Expert again, but it is not something that I'm just focused on just 1 year, right? So So as I always suggest to trade with at least 1000 US dollars. Even 1000 is not something that I would say sufficient. There is nothing called sufficient in forex market, right? But yes, this is an ideal or maybe a suitable amount to start with. I'm not talking about hedge expert that you get the amount that you should start with. It is that I'm talking about any EA, okay, any EA that is in the market. If you are using the right strategy. If you are using a wrong strategy, even 10,000 is not sufficient, even if you are trading with 0.01 lot size. So as I said that every currency is different, every currency pair is different, and the way they behave against any kind of situation, even the war situation or maybe any big news event, so they always behave differently because each country is different. So always try to diversify the pairs whenever you trade, so that even if one pair is biased towards whatever the market movement is or maybe some kind of news, the other pairs might not be that likely to be biased for the same, right? So we are in October now. Guys, any expert advisor or robot, it is just a tool. I mean, don't depend on that this is going to make you millionaire. Otherwise, I mean, people are not going to work and they will just sit at home and just purchase an EA and just take some loan amount or their own investment and will start earning. So it is not that easy. Otherwise, I mean, the economy of every country is going to collapse because that is going to make people lazy, right? So, so making money is not easy, guys. An EA expert advisor, I'm not talking about hedge expert or any specific EA. I'm just telling in general that forex market is very different. An EA doesn't control or move the forex market. Forex market moves on its own, and there are many external factors that even EA doesn't know, right? Manipulation, war situations, right? And this pandemic, epidemic, like whatever, natural disaster. We don't know like what is going to happen in the future, right? So an EA just can take trades based on the algorithm, and those algorithms are based on previous analysis, past analysis, fundamentals, technicals, or whatever. But we don't know about future. Okay, so an EA can place trades better if the EA is correct. If you are new in the forex market, if you already know how to trade, then manual is always better because you have a better control on your hand. EA is for people who would like to take advantage of forex movements, and they can take risk also, because risk will always be there. There is if someone says no risk, or I mean, then it doesn't make any sense. You can minimize the risk, but risk will always be there. Okay. So guys, please bear with me. It's a long video. It's going to be a long video because since we are completing 1 year. Okay. So just want to tell you one thing, like while doing these war situations, I mean, my account was already grown, so that is why the drawdown, because drawdown is very natural, right? If the market is moving, definitely that's going to reflect on your account. You cannot say that no, I mean, I would not accept the drawdown. I would just accept the profits. No, that way doesn't work. But yes, my account balance was already grown at that time, so that is the reason the drawdown is not being reflected on my account. And as I said, always try to diversify the pairs. Don't be just stick to your favorite pairs. Don't be biased because you are here to make money. Okay, don't be biased that you like euro more, or maybe GBP USD more. So if you like them, then purchase or just start collecting the physical currency. If you are going to trade electronically over MT4, then you are here to make money. Don't be biased for a particular pair. And don't be greedy to make more money very soon. Okay, if you see, we started with 4,000 and now we are in December, starting from July. I would have added more pairs, but I have not. Because my plan was not something that I will be running it for 1 year, but somehow it happened that I was not able to close this account earlier. So fortunately, this is the only one video that I'm creating showing the trading records of 1 year from one account. Otherwise, if you see other videos in the YouTube, you will find the backtesting trading and all those things, right? But just running this account for 1 year, and I'm happy to share the results with you. However, it is not very profitable, but yes, it has been consistent so far. Again, I would like to say that there is no guarantee in forex market. Okay, and EA does not guarantee you that you are going to win always. Invest the money that you can afford to lose in forex market. And keep your expectation, or the profit expectation, as limited as possible. People used to message me for 50%, 40%, 70%, 100% in a month. I don't know why. There is no specific reason. If I ask them that, then they used to say, no, actually, I have seen many videos that are providing 100%. Okay, so it's very easy to make 100% in a month, and it's very easy to lose all the 100% in the next month, the first day, in 1 hour. So it's better to start gradually. It's better to start easily, okay, rather than just focusing and pressurizing on your head to make more money fast. other expert advisors also a chance. It's not something that I'm stick to one EA. I mean that I haven't been trading with. Time maybe for any maybe next few months onward afterwards. strategies